For the past few days, I was stress testing Valo and throwing it in different scenarios. I also discovered that we have a problem where application crashes, and it looks like it's a problem with Electron itself. It's a known issue on GitHub. Application crashes, all of the chats are safe, everything is safe, but the process is dying. Even VS Code has this problem, even Cursor has this problem. Now we are trying to route around it and seems like it's working. The issue to that is pretty much paginate every possible process, either from the CLI, either from the application. Everything should be step by step. That's why you will see that you have 2-second warm-up, for example. If you're using the handoff skill, where you are handing off job to another chat, it happens automatically and there is a big wall of text that contains all of the context for the job. So we needed a small warm-up for the send button as well. Every action here is paginated, that way we are avoiding any potential for a crash. Even if Electron itself has a problem, we are going to route around those problems just like we did with problems within Antropic. But today I want to show you something very special that we built for Valo, which is the speech-to-text feature, which is working, in my opinion, better than Superwhisper. And the funny fact is that I'm paying for Superwhisper. I literally got this a few months ago, and now we have built something much better. And let me show you. I'll start recording both. Now you see that this is Superwhisper, and here is Valoice. And I'll just talk and talk, and I'll actually ask Claude. First of all, yeah, this message is going to go to Claude. So I'll say, hi Claude, I'm going to send you a message now. You're going to receive 2 chunks, one from Valoice and one from Superwhisper. I want you to analyze and tell me your honest opinion. What exactly do you see? What did better and where? But let's see, I think I've talked enough. I think I can send it now. And check out how the transcription from Valoice arrives so much faster. This was Valoice. Now we are waiting for Superwhisper, and let's go. Let's see Claude analyze both chunks in real time. Actually, I now realize that Claude doesn't even know. Oh, he will probably guess that the first one, because I said it's faster. But yeah, that would be the best scenario actually, to not even tell Claude what's what. 95% identical. Yeah, Superwhisper had a little bit more full phrasing here. Superwhisper did bad here. So if we're just looking at the winners, we have Superwhisper, Unclear, Valo, and Valo. Roughly tied. That's good enough for me. We have roughly tied with an application that I myself pay for, which now I of course can stop doing that. And Valoice is faster, and Valoice has actual context from your project. And I think Claude said it best. Superwhisper is slightly more precise on isolated words. Valoice is faster and produces more naturally structured text. For the use case, talking to Claude about your project, Valoice wins in the thing that matters. You get your message sent sooner and the meaning is preserved. And it's true, even if one word or something is mangled, it doesn't matter because Claude here can understand the context. So if you need a very precise application for talking to humans, maybe using Valoice is not the move. But talking to Claude through Valoice, that's definitely the move.